Standard 3rd. Topic Comprehension. Subtopic Animal Senses. Hello student, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn an interesting topic. So let's begin. Dear children, you know that we all have sense organs like us. Animals also have sense organs that helps them to see the world. Student, what is there on the screen? In the first picture, you can see a boy drop the sweet on the floor. Now, look what happened. In the second picture, so many of ants have collected around it. But student, can you tell me how they come to know about the place where the sweet lies? Oh, that simple, with their senses. Student, animals also use their sense organs to smell the food. Student, animals also have different senses. With the help of that senses, they can see, hear, taste, smell and feel. So student, now let's see how animals use their senses to find their food and even to protect themselves from other animals. So let's begin. Student, what you can see on the screen? Yes, there are 5 senses. Student, humans have 5 senses. The eyes to see, the tongue to taste, the nose to smell, the ears to hear, and the skin to touch. By far the most important organs of sense are our eyes. And if other senses such as taste or smell stop working, it's the eyes that best protect us from danger. So student, eyes is our most important sense. Have you understood student? Student, we use all these senses every day of our lives when we are working, when we are playing, eating, drinking. So all our senses help us to do our work. Student, animals have sense too and sometimes they are much more powerful than us. Student, sense organs allow animals to see changes in the environment around them and in their bodies also, so that they can respond appropriately. Animals sense the presence of predators. Student, do you know who is predators? Predator is an animal that naturally prey on other animals, means they eat other animals. So student, animals sense the presence of predators and find food also. For example, animal also come to know the changes in environment like thunder, lightning. Correct student? And student, if any changes in the environment, animals come to know immediately. We have our food prepared for us, but animals need to find their own food using their sense. Student, animals sense the environment. Environment means it's a surrounding in which a person, animals or plant live. Student, many animals can sense tiny vibration in the environment and use those to find their prey. So student, let's see how they use their senses. Student, animals rely on some senses more than others. For example, student, predators often have very good sight. Student, hunting animals like the cheetah need very good eyesight to find their prey. Student, Even birds like eagle have excellent long distance vision. Correct, student? But student, eagles stand out, means eagle have their vision more powerful. They can see clearly about 8 times as far as human can, and allowing them to spot and focus on a mouse or other animals at a distance. Student, eagle can see mouse or other animal at a distance of even 2 miles. And other birds can also see their predator at a distance of 1.5 kilometers also. So student, eagle vision is more powerful than other birds. Student, even vulture, then kite, they also have super vision. Student, mice have excellent hearing. Do you know this? And are always on alert, meaning always ready to run and hide when necessary. Student, mice have an excellent hearing that alert them to the fact that predators are approaching. Means, what do you mean by predator? And animals that naturally preys on other animals, who eat other animals. Okay, student. So, because of their excellent hearing power, they are able to escape from that place. Student, on the screen you can also see that predators are chasing other animals for food. Even predators can sense the hidden animals. Their sense of hearing and smelling is excellent. Student, in the first picture you can see how the mice is escaping from the predator. That is cat. Mice have keen senses of taste, hearing, smell and touch. Students, insects smell odors using their antenna. Do you know what is antenna? Antenna is a sensory organs on the head of an insect. As you can see that cricket also have an antenna on the head, and the butterfly also have an antenna, even the mosquitoes. Antenna is a sensory organs. So, with the help of the antenna, student, the insects smell odors, but we humans smell with our nose. Student, insect can taste with their feet as well as with their mouth part also, and some can even use their wings to taste. Student, butterflies have taste sensory on their feet. Correct? Student, and through their feet they taste. Student, most of the adult butterflies cannot bite or chew, so they eat mainly liquids like nectar, sap, juices from fruits. Student, both male and female crickets hear through ears that are located on their front leg. See, the ears are located on the front leg. Isn't it amazing, student? Do you know this? And on the screen you can see, student, how with the help of the mouth the mosquito is sucking the blood. Now student, tell me what is there on the screen? Yes, correct student, it's a chameleon. Student, chameleon's eyes have the ability to move independently of one another. Student, chameleon can use its right eyes to see the right side and left eyes to see the left side. Chameleon has an ability to see both the side of different directions. Student, chameleon do not sleep with their eyes completely open. So students, some while sleeping, one eye open and one closed as a way to keep watch for predators during the night. So this quality also chameleon have. So student, at night so chameleon use its one eyes closed to sleep and other eyes open to watch that the predators. Correct, student? It is so amazing. Student, ants like other insects use chemosense to detect sugar and other food. So they are using their chemosense to, with the help of chemosense, they detect the sugar and other food. Some animals have stronger senses and that tells them about the future. Student, you have also read the story of a lazy grasshopper. In that story, the ant collect a food in summer season by doing a lot of hard work so that in winter they can enjoy the food, because in winter the weather is too cold and it is not easy to find food, so ant collect the food in summer season only, so it is benefit for them in winter. They don't have to go out in winter and to search food. Birds, ants and many other animals look for food more busily just before bad weather. This helps birds or other animal to survive because it's more difficult to find food when the weather is bad. Even bad weather is coming, they come to know before only. Student, when birds fly high up in the sky, usually it means that the weather will be good because the sky is clear. And student, if they start flying lower to the ground, it says that it is because bad weather is coming, because that's why the bird is not flying too hard. So student, birds also use this ability to avoid bad weather when they fly long distances. Now student, let's see how other animals use their senses and tell about the future. So let's see. Student, for centuries people have noticed that animals often behave strangely before an earthquake. So it has also happened in January 1975 that a lot of farmers in one part of China told the scientists that their horses and cattle did not want to go inside the barn. So student, this means the horses and cattle, they came to know before only that something is going to happen. They might hear or feel the first rumbling of earthquake before people do. That is why they don't want to go inside the barns. Then student, after a few days later, there was a large earthquake in that region where the cattle and horses, where they are not going inside the barn, in that region earthquake has occurred. And animals, so a student, animals have a spatial sense that predicts earthquake. Through this, scientists also came to know that animals have a spatial sense that predict earthquake. But scientists do not yet understand how it works. So student, on the screen also you can see the cat is running here and there. Why? Because they have also come to know that the earthquake will going to occur. And now the earthquake is occurring. You can see how the tables, the chair and all the thing, they are moving here and there. So student, through this we come to know that animals have spatial senses, which is much stronger than human senses. So student, in this we have learned that how horse, cattle, ant, bird and other insect, they are able to predict the future. Now student, let's see, answer the following questions. So the first one is, how many senses do human have? Tell me student, how many senses human have? Yes, correct. Human has 5 senses. Correct student. Now let's see the next one. What do animals use to find their food? Yes, what the animal use to find their food? Tell me student. Yes, correct student. Animal use their senses to find their food. Very good, student. Now let's see the next one. Which sense do birds of prey use to catch their food? Now student, tell me, which sense bird use to find their prey? Yes, correct, student. Birds of prey use their eyes to catch their food at a distance of 1.5 kilometers. Correct, student. Bird can see their prey at a distance of 1.5 kilometers. Now let's see the next one. Which senses helps mice to escape from predators? What is the answer? Which sense mice use to escape? Now student, let's see the next one. Which sense helps mice to escape from predators? Now tell me student, mice use which sense to escape from predators? Yes? Correct, student. Mice have amazingly good hearing, correct, and this helps them escape from predators. Very good, student. Let's see the next one. What do butterflies use to taste? Now tell me, what do butterflies use to taste? Yes, correct, student. Butterflies use their feet to taste. Now let's see the next one. What do crickets use to hear? What cricket are using to hear? Yes. Very good, student. Crickets use their legs to hear. Now, the next one is, what is special about chameleon? Okay. Let me tell you, student. Chameleons can move their eyes separately and can look in two different directions at the same time. Very good. Now, let's see the eighth one. Which animals look for food more busily before bad weather? Now here you have to tell me the name of the animal who looks for food before bad weather. Yes? Correct, student. Birds, ants and many other animals look for food more busily just before bad weather. Very good, student. Now student, let's see this question. When do animals behave strangely? Yes, tell me student. Okay, let me tell you. Animals often behave strangely before an earthquake. Now, the question number 10. What did farmers tell scientists in China? So, tell me student, what did farmers told scientists? Yes? Correct, student. The farmers told scientists that their horses and cattle did not want to go inside the barns. Very good, student. Thank you, student. Keep learning.